But I mean, Lord willing, each day is a gift, right? And so, just in general life, I mean, I'm thankful for each day. And when you look at a business, people say often that, hey, 5 years is a good milestone. Um, and I guess part of me says, yeah, I think it's achievable to get to 20 years. But then another part, a good part for me to ask myself, and probably good for everybody, is are you enjoying yourself? And are you enjoying what you're doing? Are you meeting the goals? And so those are some things that we're working on, is setting good goals for the next 1 to 10 years, so that we can really work towards having the team understand what the goals are, so that we can work towards them. We can be hiring people based upon that. Um, but I guess partly yes, 20 years, but the bigger part for me is wanting to enjoy and have a good healthy balance, and to continually enjoy what we do, and bringing people on that really believe in our focus of business of making things better.